How to appeal TikTok community guidelines violation. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok. Then go to your profile and you'll find three lines located on top right corner of your screen. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down till you find report a problem. Click on report a problem. In here, scroll all the way down till you find Chat with Us. Click on Chat with Us. In here, you can explain how your video does not violate community guidelines. And TikTok will give you feedback about that. And that's how you appeal TikTok community guidelines violation. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.